Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a move-in vlog for my senior year of college, which is so bizarre. I feel like I moved in as a freshman yesterday, and I feel like I say that every year, but this is my senior year, so it's just super weird. So I'm not sure when you guys are gonna see this, but it's currently July 6th, so I'm definitely moving in on the earlier side. I'm basically just going to move over my furniture because, long story short, I haven't talked about this on my channel, and I'm probably not going to ever. But essentially at the end of the school year in May, I was planning on moving into a new apartment for the full school year. And at the very last minute, me and the girls decided that it just wasn't gonna be a good fit. So I ended up breaking that lease and having someone sign over me. But in doing that, I didn't have anywhere to move or anywhere to put my stuff because all of the storage units within an hour and a half radius of campus were full. It was a really big mess. I was super stressed about it. And I had bought all this furniture to put in this apartment that I thought I was moving into. And then I didn't have anywhere to put it, and it didn't really make sense to bring it home to Virginia, and it was just a really big mess. So I ended up just throwing it in my boyfriend's apartment in his room because he's not there this summer. So currently his room is stacked with my stuff. So I'm driving down today to move the stuff from his apartment to my new apartment. I just signed the lease a week or two ago, and it's in the complex that I really wanted originally. It's a great price. I'm really happy with the roommate situation. So I'm super excited about it, and I think it's going to be really good. It's a 3-person apartment. I'll show you guys more when we get there, but I believe it's just going to be me and one other girl, which would be super cool. So yeah, like I said, I will go ahead and show you guys more when we get there. But I'm about 2 hours away from the leasing office. I need to go pick up my keys, and then I need to start unloading the car. I'm borrowing my dad's truck for the weekend just because it's a lot easier to move stuff. And then my friend is going to let me into my boyfriend's room so I can get my furniture and move that over and all that stuff. And I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me and document the trip. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep driving, and I will update you guys when I get my key. So I have not vlogged since I was in the car, but I just went to pick up the keys quickly at our leasing office, and I just got into the apartment, and I brought all my stuff in from the car really quickly because it's raining really hard outside. I'll show you guys in a second. But I figured I'd give you guys a quick apartment tour while it's still empty and not moved in at all. So as you guys can see, it's raining super hard, so I haven't moved any of my stuff from my boyfriend's place yet, but I'm hoping it clears up. You guys can see, it's kind of like a sunny rain, so we'll see. So when you walk in, it's just the living room area. This is all the stuff from the car that I brought in, and it's pretty big, as you can see. And then there's essentially 2 sides to the apartment. There's this side, and then this side over here. This side has 2 bedrooms. This side has 1. This is the master side. But I'm leaving that empty right now because in case a 3rd girl moves in, I feel like it makes more sense for me and my friend to share a bathroom, and then give the 3rd roommate her own side. And if we don't get a 3rd roommate, then the 2nd girl can take that and have her own bedroom and bathroom. I can have my own bedroom and bathroom. Just kind of makes sense. So this is our kitchen. It's really nice and spacious. And then there's laundry back here. Obviously it's not moved in at all, but you can kind of get a relatively good vibe for the unit. This is very similar to my one last year, just a little bit more upgraded. There's a bedroom over here, the bathroom that will be mine / mine and my roommates. It's a pretty good size, as you guys can see. It has a sink, cabinets, the toilet's over here, the freaking shower. And then coming out of the bathroom, we have a storage closet here. It's just good for storing extra paper or towels and all that stuff. There's a ton of storage in the kitchen though too. So honestly, I don't even know if we'll need that. And then my bedroom is over here. It's carpeted, which is really nice. And it has windows, which I love, and a really big closet. I don't love the wooden doors. I actually really hate them, but definitely can't complain. It's a really nice apartment, and I'm really happy with it. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty nice space. Honestly, I'm really happy with it. The lighting in here right now is not good, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my favorite coffee shop on campus. If you watch my week in my life vlogs, you guys will definitely recognize it. It's called Oak House, and I go literally every day at school, and I haven't had it since I moved out, obviously. So I'm super excited to go there, and then I think I'm gonna run to Target and get a few staples. I need shower curtain rings, toilet paper. I got here and I really had to pee, and I peed, and there was no toilet paper, which was unfortunate, but we made it, I guess. Not really. And just some other little things, I guess, if I see anything. I still need a nightstand. I'm not sure if I'll find one that I think is a good value or worth the money, but I'll go check it out, I guess, and I'll bring you guys along with me. So it's actually Saturday now. Yesterday kind of got away from me. And I also got kind of a later start than I expected. I think I finished off vlogging with you guys around like 5 p.m. and I hadn't gotten any of my stuff yet from my boyfriend's apartment. And I think I told you guys I was planning on going to Target, but when I stopped recording, my friend called and said that he was home, so I ran over to him and my boyfriend's apartment and just brought the majority of the stuff over, and then I picked up the mattresses with my 2 friends that night. So that's basically all I did yesterday. I didn't end up going to Target. I ended up just like getting dinner with a friend and then going to like a get together with some of our other friends. So I didn't really do anything last night, and I was having trouble deciding which room I wanted out of the 2 on like this side. I think I was explaining like the debacle earlier, but I think I settled on the one that I'm currently in now. I keep moving my furniture back and forth because I'm stupid. But like I said, it's Saturday now. I got up kind of early this morning. I don't know why. It was like 8:30 or 9 when I woke up, and I decided to head over to Target, and I was gonna do like a cute Target haul, but I ended up just getting like clear shower rings and a shower curtain, so that's really not exciting. But I thought I'd give you guys like an updated tour and then do a few little clips of me like setting up my bathroom and stuff like that, and yeah. So nothing has changed over here in like the living room area. I might put my black rug in here, especially if we don't end up getting furniture, just to like put something in this space, I guess. And then nothing has changed in the kitchen. Oh, I lied, I put out my toaster, and then I put out this little drying rack. We still need to get a microwave, so we're gonna talk to the other girls and see if they'd wanna split that with us. And then coming into the bathroom, I still need to organize everything, but I've basically just put everything in here that needs to go in here. So I have like this little bath mat, a scale, toilet paper, which is key, and then I just have like a stack of towels and my nicer shower curtain to put up in a second, and that's about it for here. This opens up, I believe. Maybe not. The one in my last apartment did. That's a bummer. I guess I don't even need the storage. I don't know why that'd be a bummer. Oh, and I put soap out. So this is slowly coming together. And then my bedroom is essentially done for now. Like there's not a lot that I could do besides what I've already done. So I have my bed set up, which is big, candles, Starbucks. I have just like some things in the closet. I brought my winter coat just because it's super bulky, and that was just like easy to throw in the car. And then I have this little like dresser thing. All of this is coming home with me. Like that was like my overnight bag. These are some bed risers that I didn't end up needing, that the girl left for me. So I'm gonna see if my sister wants them. And then I have like my little makeup station over here. This is like very similar to my last apartment, but it's definitely getting there. And then this is the stuff I picked up from Target, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the bathroom and set that up. So as you guys can see, the bathroom is relatively set up now. We have soap, towels, more towels. I moved this mat over here from over here because this was an issue in our last apartment too. Like it gets stuck on the door because it's not that big of a bathroom. So I just moved it out of here, which kind of makes sense like when you get out of the shower anyway to step on a mat. And then this is the same shower curtain that I had in my last apartment. It's just a map of London. It's from Society 6 and I love it. It looks cute and it reminds me of my semester abroad. The bathroom's kind of dark because of these wooden doors. I really, really hate them. I wish I could just like paint them all white because it makes the space so much lighter, but it's not a huge deal. So that's the update in here for now, and I will show you guys if I do anything else. So it's a bit later now again. As you guys can see, I moved in my rug. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it in here or if I'm gonna put it back in the living room, just because I feel like it kind of darkens up the room, but also I like having it. So I don't know yet. I think time will tell. But for now it's in here just so it's not taking up space elsewhere. And I think that that's like everything that I can do here as far as things that I brought to unpack. So I'm just gonna head home in the next couple minutes, and when I come back in August, I just have like clothes and then various like wall decor, kitchen supplies, And I think that that's everything I have to bring. So it's gonna make moving in like permanently in August a lot easier, just because I'll have so much less stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little moving vlog. I hope it was fun to watch and entertaining. If you want a part 2 or like a full room tour when I'm fully moved in August, I'd be happy to do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. All of my social media will be linked down below. If you have any other video suggestions for like college related things or not college related things too, make sure to leave those down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.